Hello. As y'all know me, I was watching the GEEKBITE video about fidget spinner tricks. And yes, GEEKBITE, I do want to have a fidget off with you. So if you do see this video, please comment below and we can have a fidget off. And yes, even though I am only 11, nah, I'm just kidding. I'm like, yeah, I am. But GEEKBITE, I do want to have a fidget off with you. And to prove that you're not the master at pro fidgeting, but I am. Let's just make this one clear. There can only be one pro fidgeter in this world, and that pro fidgeter is me. So if you do get this message, please like it and subscribe to my channel. You got that? You got that? Ooh, look at that. It's still spinning. Yeah, even though you did a high jump. But I am a pro fidgeter. So battle me in 2 weeks. And let's have a true fidget off. And plus then in balancing the fidget spinner with your nose streak, I could do that way longer than you can. Yep, look at that. Oh, look at that, son. So, fidget off. Me, you, 2 weeks. Hope you get this. Yes, I'm talking about you. GEEKBITE. Isn't that the name? Or is it just a fraud? Let's see. 2 weeks. Me, you, fidget off. And we can see who's the real fidgeter. Fidgeters. Oh no. But I do like how you said how people aren't treating it as a lifestyle. How it's a joke. It's not a joke. You treat it like it's something special. You treat it like it's your life. Like it's a sport. It's a lifestyle, yo. And this ain't a hobby. It ain't a job. It's art. It's fine mechanical art. Not really mechanical. Yes. I did not drop that. Because I'll show you. I'll show you right now that I did not drop that. You see that? I did not drop it. So let's just make this straight. Me, you, fidget off. 2 weeks. And let's just know that I am a true fidgeter. Probably better than you. Well, not probably, but am better than you. You come up with the ideas. No, actually, we both come up with the ideas. 4 tricks. I come up with 2, you come up with 2. I'll tell you my first 2 right now. Balancing a fidget spinner on your nose for 35 seconds. And balancing and to see how long your fidget spinner can spin for. I've calculated the time. I've done my math. And this fidget spinner spins up to 4 minutes. So you better get working. And GEEKBITE, I wouldn't suggest you mess with me. And all my fans out there, And all my fidgeters, all my pros, make sure you subscribe, like, and make sure you leave a big fat thumbs up. And I might be giving away fidget spinners because I'm going to be buying them. I'm going to be giving away 2 fidget spinners for 2 lucky fans. I'm going to be giving out a black one like this. And I'm going to be giving out a white one. So, I'll see you, GeekBite, my fans, my pros, my fidgeters, the hometown of the fidgeters. Let's do this. Bye. Ciao, y'all.